Ay, grabe ha. In fairness.
Sumakit yung mata.
Para sa'yo yun, Jay. Para kay Jay.
That's what you call lyrical engagement.
Oo.
Message for everyone.
Then for yourself.
That is for Jay.
So guys, thank you all for coming. We really had fun for sure kami ni Jane. And really appreciate the effort talaga. For sure itong organization matagal to. So yun, we're very grateful. And it's really overwhelming not to see you all guys here. And we hope to see you again soon, okay?
Yes, soon.
So Jane, yun. First of all, for tonight, I'm so busy pa, pero nagbigay ko ng time for this. And yun lang, yung lagi sinasabi sa'yo, I'm just here to support you. Kahit sino pa yan, diba? Separate, kasi it's your work and it's part of you, so I'll be, yun nga, forever your number one.
Syempre nag-thank you ako sa lahat ng nakapunta. Ulit, maraming salamat guys kasi sobrang nakaka-overwhelm lahat ng pumunta, lahat ng napakita niyong support. Even sa pag hindi ko kayo kasama, kahit sa social media or kahit saan, lagi niyo pinapakita yung love support niyo. Kaya yun, maraming salamat. And of course, syempre, thank you din kasi sa lahat-lahat ng nangyari, you're still there. Yun, thank you. And thank you dahil pumunta ka rin tonight. And of course, Sisters mo for being here. And kay Jerry. Ayun, so thank you.
Nose to nose! Nose to nose! Hug na lang ba?
Baba sa baba.
Yay! So nag-expect pa yata sila.
Thank you guys! Maraming salamat!